Locate appliance and penetration through wall. Cut and frame wall penetration. Apply high temperature silicone sealant to the appliance outlet. Slide appliance adapter onto the appliance outlet and secure with at least one screw. Slide the outside portion of the wall thimble into the framing. Level and attach to the wall. Level and attach inside portion of the wall thimble to the wall. Slide the pipe through the wall thimble and attach to the appliance adapter on the stove collar. Attach the T and vertical pipe with the elbow at the top. Make sure the pipe is plumb and secure pipe to the wall with a wall strap. Attach the horizontal cap to the top of the elbow.